Setting up an ADS application development and runtime environment involves translating natural programs into ADS bytecode and converting ADABAS data to relational format. The translated programs and relational data are then moved to the target machine where the new application runs with the relational data. The front end of the ADS application environment can be most web browsers such as Internet Explorer, Chrome, or Firefox. The browser is used as a front end to communicate with several pieces of software that can run either on Windows, Linux, Unix, or ZOS. Setting up the ADS development environment involves installing 5 pieces of software, 2 non-consist packages, and 3 consist packages. The first non-consist package that is needed is a Java application server, such as Tomcat for Windows and Linux Unix, or WebSphere Geronimo for Windows, Linux, Unix, or ZOS. The second non-consist package that is needed is a relational database, such as MySQL, DB2, or Oracle. The first consist package that is needed is a Java web application called ADS-IDE that is used to translate natural programs into ADS format. The second Java web application is called DMS, Data Migration System, that is used to convert ADABAS data into relational database data. The third consist package is the ADS Runtime server that runs the converted applications, and it could run on ZOS, Windows, or Linux Unix. The ADS Runtime system on Windows or Linux Unix is called the obvious server. To set up this ADS environment involves 4 steps: install the Java application server, install the relational database, install the 2 web applications, ADS and DMS, into the Java application server, and install the ADS Runtime server on ZOS, Windows, or Linux Unix. After these are installed, starting the ADS application development environment involves starting the Java application server and the relational database. After these start, point a web browser to the URL that refers to the ADS and DMS Java applications running in the Java application server. For example, if the Java application server is using port 8080 on your PC, the 2 URLs are as follows for the ADS-IDE application and the DMS application. On the other hand, if the Java application server is running on another machine, for example with the following IP address on port 8090, point your web browser to the following URLs. The following diagram shows an ADS development environment running on Windows or Linux Unix. During development, the web browser on the PC points to the URLs for the ADS-IDE or DMS applications. During runtime, the ADS server runs the converted programs and uses the data in the relational database. Now that we've described installing the components of the ADS application environment, we will now explain how to translate natural programs and convert ADABAS data into relational database data.